Students, very good evening, and today I am again before you with the new question on the topic profit and loss. So this is our profit and loss topic is going on, and I had already done 5 questions. So in the question of series 10, so we are on the question number 6 today. So before solving it, let us read the question. A dealer purchased 250 bulbs for rupees 10 each. The cost of one is rupees 10. However, 12 bulbs got fused, which he had to throw away. He sold the remaining bulbs at rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. So what was the gain or loss in the transaction? We have to find here. So students, this is the long question but very easy, and I am going to solve it on the board. You have to see on the board. So solution of this question is going to very easy. Left. First of all, we have to write the number of bulbs. That is CP of one bulb. CP of one bulb equal to how much? Equal to rupees 10. So the CP of 250 bulbs. We have to find the CP of 250 bulbs. CP of 250 bulbs equal to rupees how much? 10 into 250, you will get 2500 rupees. 2500. This is the CP of 250 bulbs. However, 12 bulbs got fused. How much got fused? 12 bulbs. So now he had to throw away the bulbs which got fused. He thrown away. He sold the remaining bulbs at rupees 12 each. So the remaining bulbs are how much? Remaining bulbs equal to 250 minus 12. 12 got fused. So it will be how much? 8 and 4 minus 1, 3 and 2, 38. 238 bulbs he had to sell. He had to sell how much? 238. And the selling price of one bulb was 12 rupees. So in order to selling price of one bulb, we will find the selling price of 238 bulbs. So SP of one bulb equal to what? Rupees 12. So I will remove it. Okay. SP of how much? 238, because 12 got fused, so he thrown away. Now the SP will be find on the remaining only. That is SP of 12 bulb, that is 12 into 238. Okay. Now multiply. 12 8 ja 96. So I will write 6 here and 9 will be carry. 12 3 ja 36. 36 and 9 how much? 36 and 4 45. I will write 5. 4 will carry. 12 2 ja 24 and 4 28. It will be rupees 2856. This will be selling price. This will be selling price of 238. So this is the selling price. And what was the cost price? CP of 250. we have to find the CP of 250 because the bulb bought, okay, that will cost him, and the bulb that fused, that he thrown, but the cost will be added because he has given the money for that 12 bulbs which were fused. Okay, he paid for that. So the cost, total cost for him was 2500, and he sold whatever the right bulbs. Right bulbs were 238, so he sold only this. Whatever the profit he earned, he will earn only on 238, and that the fused bulb will get subtracted from his profit. So how much? 2856 and 2500. So here the selling price is more. Selling price is more than cost price. So he got profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. So I will write here SP is 2856 minus 2500, 2500. Now subtract. 6 will remain 6 and 5 it will remain 5, and from 8 you subtract 5 you get 3, 2 you will get 0. So rupees 356 is the profit for him. This is the profit. We have to find here profit percent. Our question was that overall transaction, what was the profit on the whole transaction? Profit percent. So profit percent will be, we have to write profit upon CP into 100. This is our formula for profit percent. So profit was how much? 356. 356 upon CP was 2500. This is CP, 2500 into 100. Okay. Now we cancel these two zeros with these two zeros of 100, and we get 356 upon 25. Now we will divide this 356 with 25 because they will not cancel out each other. So 25 1 25. Now subtract, you will get 110, and take this 6 here. 25 4 ja 100. 25 4 ja 100. 6 will remain here, and in the mixed fraction, how we will write? 6 in the top, 14 here upon 25. So it will be how much? 14 6 upon 25%. This is the total profit percent. So students, this is our answer for the question, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.